Cancer-causing environmental exposures include substances such as radiation from ultraviolet rays from the sun and X-rays, pesticides, chemicals from secondhand smoke from cigarettes, and others. Chronic infections or inflammation are also thought to increase the risk of developing cancer. For example, human papillomavirus is associated with cervical cancer. An infection with the hepatitis B virus may lead to liver cancer. Infection with the bacteria Helicobacter pylori may cause stomach ulcers and is also associated with the development of stomach cancer. Poor lifestyle habits increase the risk for developing cancer. Around 1/3 of cancer deaths are due to the following leading behavioral and dietary risks: tobacco use, or smoking, obesity, or high body mass index, and alcohol consumption. Lack of physical activity and unhealthy eating habits are thought to increase the risk as well. In addition, a poor lifestyle leads to poor general health and a weakened surveillance or immune system, which in turn may lead to a higher chance of developing cancer. Tobacco use on its own is the single largest preventable cause of cancer in the world. It's responsible for 22% of all cancer deaths. This is approximately 6 million people a year who die from cancer due to tobacco use. The chemicals from cigarette smoke can affect your entire body and cause different kinds of cancer. Lung cancer being the most common and having one of the lowest survival rates of all cancers. Also, the serious damaging effects of smoking cannot be canceled out by leading an otherwise healthy lifestyle, like keeping fit and eating healthily. The best way to eliminate your risk is to not smoke or use tobacco products at all. Having a high body mass index means that you're either overweight or obese. This is the second most important known avoidable cause of cancer after tobacco use. Having extra fat can be harmful to your body because fat cells produce hormones and growth factors, which affect the way your cells work. They circulate in your bloodstream and have widespread effects. Different types of cancer are thought to be associated with people who are overweight or obese, with breast cancer and bowel cancer being the most common. Drinking alcohol regularly may increase your risk of developing cancer, whether it's from beer, wine, or hard liquor. A number of different types of cancer are thought to be associated with alcohol consumption, such as liver cancer, bowel cancer, head and neck cancer, and breast cancer. In your body, alcohol, or ethanol, is converted into a toxic chemical called acetaldehyde, which can damage your DNA and over time lead to the development of cancer. Research suggests that the less alcohol you drink, the lower your risk. Combining alcohol with smoking may increase the risk further. Epidemiologic research shows that people who use both alcohol and tobacco have a much greater risk of developing cancers of the oral cavity, pharynx or throat, larynx, and esophagus than people who use either alcohol or tobacco alone. In fact, for oral and pharyngeal cancers, the risks associated with using both alcohol and tobacco are multiplicative. That is, they are greater than would be expected from adding the individual risks associated with alcohol and tobacco together.